Wenling Cyclone air compressor Manufactory, established in 2006, is a research-oriented enterprise dedicated to the research, design, and manufacturing of high-quality air compressors and electric motors. The factory has an innovative design team led by senior engineers, with core members holding over 20 years' experience in the air compressors and motors industry. Beyond regular product design and development, we provide worldwide customers with one-stop solutions for all pneumatic issues. In addition, we also offer after-sales support for air compressors, along with accessories and maintenance services. Before storage, inspector strictly checks spare parts and raw materials for quantity, surface treatment, and processing accuracy according to IEC, CE, EMC, and ISO 9001 international standards. After over 20 years of dedicated development, our factory has created a full range of air compressors, including motor-driven type, engine-driven type, screw type, oil-free type, and battery-powered type compressors. Our products have approved GS, CE, EMC, LVD, RoHS, noise, and SPV certificates. Our products undergo rigorous testing and comply with strict international standards, ensuring safety, performance, and environmental responsibility. My team and I work hard together to pursue our mission. We endure, we overcome, we never give up, and we always forward.